All right, party people. So today's plan is to finish this wall, come on this side wall, come 10 feet that wall, and then in that corner, we're going to do a 4-foot wall. The reason being is the rest of this wall, the other 10 feet will have or the other, let's see, it'll be 10 feet this way, so the other 6 feet is going to have a small window in it. And I haven't purchased the window yet. Just found the one I wanted today and had to order it. So I haven't received the window yet. And the reason being, over there, I'm only doing 4 feet is because the other 12 feet, I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing over there, and I'm not for sure on this front wall how I'm gonna do the door and the windows, because I don't think I'm making this a workshop, because I'm gonna have so many other things going on. I believe I'm just going to make this an extension of our home, so to speak, and make it an additional living space, hangout space, because we do like to have family and friends over, especially in the spring and the fall. So we're gonna go ahead and get this knocked out. My wife's gonna be helping me today. So thank you for tuning in.